How to make money with gold bars near me. The ancient Incas valued gold and other precious metals and used them to make statuettes and then embellish them with precious stones. Many stories and legends speak about huge storehouses of precious objects reminiscent of gems to gold statuettes and different treasured objects. However, we do not know the truth of these legends. The Spanish invaded Peru and lots of their temples and buildings had been demolished and the treasures looted sent to Spain. It is said that despite all this looting, much of the Peruvian treasures were hidden, and even immediately people are searching for these misplaced treasures. There have been many expeditions through the ages in this seek for these lost treasures. Films have been made about this search for the Peruvian treasures and different historical civilizations' treasures. These ancient Peruvians believed that gold was the sweat of the sun because of its golden hue, and that the silver was the moon's tears. Gold was believed to be an emblem of power, blessing of the sun god in eternity. It was thought about a sacred factor of which is a half of nature. Even in the current day, males nonetheless seek El Dorado and spend millions of dollars in their search, often losing their investments to an elusive seek for a commodity that's freely accessible to everybody today. Today's treasure hunters needn't go far to find that treasure and own it. Investing money in gold and precious metals is like creating your individual treasure house. A search on the internet will reveal many investment firms such as Superior Gold Group, who will advise you easy strategies to create your individual special portfolio of valuable metals and especially gold. Gold bullion cash and trading in gold can bring a very good return on funding and a good diversifying commodity to add to any good investment portfolio. Jewelry is one other good funding, and jewelry made with gold remains to be probably the most enticing available. Women particularly love wearing jewelry product of gold. However, males should not omit it with heavy gold chains, rings, earrings, and even nose piercings. However, gold jewelry will not be always the most secure investment, as it is typically a temptation for a slick thief. Dwelling safes and even storing gold jewelry in banks doesn't assure that an investor won't lose one's investment. Regardless, that gold jewelry in time of hassle has saved many people's lives in previous conflict situations. From an funding viewpoint, gold bullion coins and the like are safer bets than mere jewelry. Gold bullion stored in vaults and insured are protected safety for a diversified portfolio. Contacting a funding dealer who can advise you on the place can be the perfect and safest areas to invest your cash for an excellent return, and your funding will be found on websites similar to Gold101.com. Skilled staff are on standby to advise you and show you how to understand the gold market, tips on how to buy gold and a place to invest your IRA funds, how you can avoid placing all of your eggs in a dangerous venture, and total keep an eye on your portfolio to advise you when to promote and buy.